Hop into the 2019 Ford Transit. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a Ford Transit, the passenger and cargo carrier that's adaptable to meet your unique needs. Whether you're looking for a family hauler, custom conversion van, or commuter shuttle, this flexible wagon has the modern safety features, stability, comfort, and convenience features to do the job right. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: third row seat, keyless entry, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, iPod, MP3 input, front tow hooks, electronic stability control, rear wheel drive, full-size spare tire, intermittent wipers. Don't miss the chance to experience the comfort and convenience of this specialized passenger and cargo hauler. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.